Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Christina. This is my daughter Rhea. Today we're going to be doing the ever so trending fruit challenge that is seen on TikTok. We may be late to the game, but you know, after 4 kids, I can't keep up with all the trends. So basically, we bought these off of Amazon. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below. But we're going to be biting these and seeing if they either pop in our mouth or if they explode all over the place. And we do a lot of family content, grocery hauls, day in the life videos. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, we would love to have you. So be sure to subscribe and hit those post notifications so you're notified every time we upload. Thanks guys. Okay, so we are going to test these out and we're going to use this to pick out our fruit at random because there are some fruits in here that Rhea does not like and she will completely bypass them. So to be fair, we're gonna do it anonymously. And if you hear the baby crying, it's because we're putting her to bed. So without further ado, let's go. Mix it up like a fruit salad.
Let's see what kinds there are.
Do I have just one?
Yep.
Pineapple.
The ones that Rhea does not like.
I hate it.
All right.
Oh, did you get it?
Definitely doesn't taste like pineapple.
Doesn't it? It does.
Mm-mm. And it has those like boba pearls in them. It was good.
All right. Okay, so now it's my turn. There's all these random ones. I don't know what kind of flavors there are. There's grape, I think, pineapple, strawberry, and orange. And I know there's all of them. But now it's my turn, and I'm gonna pick some. So here we go. I have one.
Yeah.
Just one.
Yes.
Oh, I got a different one than you, I think.
Yeah, I did.
All right, move this out of the way. Put this in here. All right, I'm probably gonna mess this up, but here we go. Can't get the rest of it now. Those are actually really good. I really like these. Oh no.
Hey, I'm Rhea, and I'm going to be picking my fruit.
Oh, you didn't get it.
Did you have one?
Yeah.
Yes.
She's also got a great one.
Okay. This is probably going to go everywhere, but... I can't bite it.
Just bite it.
I'm trying.
It's way harder.
That's good.
Hey, I'm Taylor. I guess I'm gonna pick mine right now.
You got two, so just
Which one?
The first one.
put those two.
Which one's first?
Here, wait, close your eyes and pick one. I'm gonna mix them up. Now just. All right, now my left or my right hand.
Oh. Left.
All right, the red one. Pick the strawberry one.
Do you have to take any of these things off?
No, you just bite it. The plastic's there.
That would do it.
Zoom in on it rolling down the shirt.
Well, there's your
Success.
NS.
Good job.
So this round we're going to have Ben pick at random and see who can pop it first without having it explode everywhere.
Here, so I'm just gonna pick one for Mom first. There you go. And then
Red
I'll
strawberry.
pick this one for you. Here you go.
What do
And
you
these
have?
are the ones that are left.
Green.
There's only a few colors left, but I think there's only one green one in there.
Okay, ready?
Oh, there it is.
But 3, 2, 1, go. Mom wins.
You did better this time. You got more in your mouth than your shirt.
Yeah.
I mean, not that much more in the shirt compared to what was in, like. So.
Green one is very underwhelming.
I feel like they're all underwhelming. None of them actually taste like the fruit that
Right.
they are.
That one's definitely not like green apple flavored.
Mm-mm. I wonder if it's the brand that we got or if none of them are actually supposed to taste like the fruit.
We're poor. We can't afford big things.
Yeah,
nice,
we gotta-
rich, expensive.
We gotta get some viewers and some sponsorships, guys. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already.
Okay, so now me and Ray are gonna do it, and Taylor's gonna pick the things for us. So we're gonna do this. So you can pick.
Ready?
Yep.
When was it?
Here's the
Pineapple.
pineapple one.
Are,
Ah.
Yeah.
I don't like this. Why?
Oh, I got an orange one.
Are you serious?
This is orange, right?
Yeah.
Show you think.
I got pineapple and I hate pineapple. Why,
So,
Taylor?
What are we doing? See who can pop theirs the
I love you.
fastest.
Yeah. I don't want to.
All right, you ready? Wait. You have to take it out of your mouth first. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ow. I don't want
Ben one.
Oh yeah.
to. Do I have to?
Yes.
Can't.
You're just not trying.
Yes, I am.
Well, I'm gonna go through mine.
I can't. Got like a hole in it.
It doesn't taste like pineapple, right? Just swallow it. For you too.
Ew.
What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this in my mouth. I'm gonna go and catch it and just shove it in my mouth like this, and just bite it and see what happens. I'm just gonna. I don't know. Mmm. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. Also, comment more video ideas down below so we can do more videos like this. They're really fun and we really enjoy making them. We also post family content, day in the life, and grocery hauls. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Housekeeping?
You need what?
For what? Eating Jello?
Yes.
For doing an intro.
Oh, yes. What did you say earlier, Ray?
What?
About the thing?
I said that they're for growth.
I get
Hey guys, today we're gonna... I messed that up.
There's not a single thing about this that tastes like pineapple.
Ha.
Thanks for watching our videos.
Hey guys, if you like this